Alright, simple LED install number 2 is going to be your reverse lights. This is going to be really easy. You're just going to need a screwdriver or 10mm, whatever you have, to take off your plate screws, and then I believe there's 4 T15s behind this, and it just pops off. And yeah, so let's get into it. Just going to take plate off. Or you gotta pull that out, boom, there we go. And now these are the little ones you're going to be undoing. Simple. See these little screws? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you want to get out. Car. Oh, bonus round. I'm going to show you how to put LED lights in your license plate light housings as well, since they're right here. It's going to be nice and easy now too. Screws are out. Spooler comes out. There you go. You got 2 housings right here. 1 housing and 2 housing. License plate light housings out too. Let's just do it once and get out of the way. Boom. Love how simple GM housings are. And when they're fresh plastic and nothing's broken, I love that. I love that. Bring the housing down, twist, and you're good. Alright, so LED test number 1. No way. Oh, no way. LED test number 2. No freaking way. The last 2. Found those in the garage like nothing. That's a celebration, boys. I'm returning those. The fuck do I want amber license plate bulbs for? It don't make no sense. Reverse lights, nice and easy. Twist them in the socket. Much better than before. Alright, and we're in.